Are you looking for the perfect yet affordable family home? This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and today we're at 412 North Mill Street in Eldon. Let's go check it out. This home was completely renovated in 2020. It offers 2 beds, 1 bath, this open floor plan, and a large backyard. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information on this beautiful home, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.